The 7 most unhealthy vegetable dishes of all time. There are vegetables, the things that are crazy good for you and that you should always aim to eat more of. And then there are vegetables, the things that contain some semblance of a vegetable's former self, and for that reason, appear much more virtuous than they actually are. This is a list of the latter. Warning, due to the intense creativity of food manufacturers, it may not be all-encompassing. When you snack on this stuff, do so with the full knowledge that it's more reduced guilt junk food than it is disease-fighting superfood. 1. Veggie chips, puffs, or crisps. Yes, they'll deliver slightly more nutrients and fiber than plain all potato chips. But don't let yourself get seduced by the wholesome packaging, with loads of added starch. Most of them still fall into the nutritionally worthless category. Plus, the salt, fat, and crunch makes them addictive, so you'll probably end up eating the whole bag. 2. Vegetable-infused waters. Remember how everyone thought that Whole Foods asparagus water was a total joke? That's how you should feel about any water that claims to be infused with vegetables. At best, it's literally like drinking plain water. At worst, it's diluted vegetable juice. 3. Wholesome fruit and vegetable leathers. They're billed as better than conventional fruit-only leathers, but you know that you know better. These things are basically sugar delivery systems with, like, half an ounce of dehydrated vegetables thrown in to make you feel like a health genius. Don't buy it. 4. Frozen vegetable medleys with cheesy sauce. If you want to top steamed frozen broccoli with a little grated Parmesan or cheddar, go to town. But when you venture into prepackaged frozen cheese sauce territory, you'll likely start to run into loads of sodium, plus all kinds of weird thickeners, stabilizers, flavor additives, and who knows what else. 5. Tempura-style vegetables. True, you're still getting vegetables in their whole form. But when they're battered in flour and deep-fried in who knows what kind of cheap oil, you just might be negating some of the health benefits. 6. Ketchup. Regardless of what the makers of that iconic brand might say about ketchup being a great source of lycopene, it's still basically sugar sauce. A squirt or two on your burger isn't going to kill you, but a concoction made largely from high-fructose corn syrup isn't exactly equal to eating an actual tomato, either.